try this a little different this time. I seen the last video was really hogged up with me being upside down and everything being upside down, but this is the pour that we made with the solder. Now you see, like I tried to show on the previous, a little bit of a blowout there. I'm gonna unfurl the tape here, and we're gonna see exactly what we're talking. Uh-oh, so, no good. Total failure. We had a failure. Now, you see, the solder did not run down in. Yep, it did run down in, but it broke off. Something, I don't know what I did this time different than the other times, but it's not looking real good. It was a failure. I'm going to have to regroup and start again. But that's pretty much junk. I can remelt it. That's the piece, the failure piece. So once you see the fail, everything I do is a lot of trial and error on stuff. These just happen to actually work out kind of good. I'm a little disappointed that it didn't work out on this piece, but well, it didn't ruin it. I mean, it's fixable. It's not, you might call it a fuck up, but it's not fucked up unless you can't fix it. And so this can be fixed, so I wouldn't call it a fuck up. I'd call it maybe a setback, a trial and error, something like that. But what I might do, I might drill that, get that old solder out of there, and put a pin in it, and try to pull the solder around that and see if it's going to set up. I'm not quite unsure why it didn't work out on this one when it did on so nicely on my other practice pieces. So there's a piece of moose horn. I was going to do the same thing to actually drill a couple holes in here and try to put a cap on this for a knife handle or fork. I got a nice fork blank that I'm working on. I might use it for a meat fork, big meat fork. We'll see. But as you can see, everything is not a success. Sometimes you got some failures with it, and this happens to be one of those times. So I'll check back here when I regroup here a little bit, and we'll try it again.